Like I can't do this. He's like, I must finish.
Oh my God, I have tears.
He's like, yeah. You finished.
Holy Ryan. Okay, Fresh, that's enough. We're mean parents, aren't we? We just keep watching and laughing and freaking video.
Hold on, stop.
I'm afraid to take it from him because you know he'll start screaming.
Is that good, buddy?
I think he's sleep eating.
No kidding.
Is that good, buddy?
I think he's actually sleeping. Yeah, he's probably sleeping.